Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can easily download and install the Microsoft Whiteboard app on Windows. For that, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Microsoft Apps. On Google type Microsoft Apps. Now click on the official website apps.microsoft.com and herein type Microsoft Whiteboard and press enter. Now the official app will be visible. Click on it, get in store app. Now click on open Microsoft Store and minimize this. Here and click on open because we installed it before, else you could have clicked on get. Now open it and it will open. Here it is, the whiteboard is visible. Click on new whiteboard and create it. Here it is. Okay, so now you can close it if you want, and if you want to open it again, you can type Microsoft Whiteboard. That's it, and click on it to open it again. Here it is. Okay, so guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the Microsoft Whiteboard on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.